This AI SuperTrend indicator predicted this recent 15% Ethereum price drop. If you had taken a short position here with a 2% risk per trade, you would have made 30% profit. Crazy, right? Check out this buy signal. A 9% price increase was caught with this magic tool. 5% profit on this trade. A continuation of this trend could have resulted in another 4% profit. This indicator does not repaint. It is based on machine learning, which means it calculates data from the past and improves the quality of its signals. Stay tuned till the end of this video because I will show you how to optimize the indicator for maximum results so you can make significant profits from any market. Traders, if you like the tutorials I put out, please like and share them. Also, subscribe to TradeIQ if you haven't already. Alright, so how do you add this AI SuperTrend indicator to the price chart? First off, open any chart on TradingView and click on Indicators. Type Volume SuperTrend AI. The one you're looking for is this one by Zierman. This is a brand new indicator released yesterday. Let's thank the creator for this amazing script. The Volume SuperTrend AI is an advanced technical indicator used to predict trends in price movements by utilizing a combination of traditional SuperTrend calculation and AI techniques, particularly the K-nearest neighbors or KNN algorithm. By combining these approaches, the indicator aims to offer more precise predictions of price trends, offering bullish and bearish signals. By utilizing volume-weighted moving averages, VWMA, the Volume SuperTrend AI emphasizes the importance of trading volume in the trend direction, allowing it to respond more accurately to market dynamics. The KNN algorithm is employed to intelligently examine historical data points, measuring distances between current parameters and previous data. The nearest neighbors are used to create predictive modeling, thus adapting to intricate market patterns. This tool considers not only price movement, but also trading volume, introducing an extra dimension to trend analysis. By integrating volume data, the indicator offers a more nuanced and robust understanding of market trends. When trends are supported by high trading volumes, they tend to be more stable and reliable. In practice, a green line displayed beneath the price typically suggests an upward trend, reflecting a bullish market sentiment. Conversely, a red line positioned above the price signals a downward trend, indicative of bearish conditions. The AI algorithm is the fundamental component in the coloring of the Volume SuperTrend. This integration serves as a means of predicting the trend while preserving the inherent characteristics of the SuperTrend. By maintaining these essential features, the AI-enhanced Volume SuperTrend allows traders to more accurately identify and capitalize on trend continuation signals. Here are some examples of continuation signals. A bullish or bearish trend starts with a green or red dot. This is a primary signal of a momentum shift. Such signals typically appear early and have low accuracy. On the other hand, when the price makes a correction after an initial move and then continues moving in the same direction, a trend continuation signal occurs. The accuracy of these signals is much higher because the prevailing sentiment has already been identified. Another reason these alerts have a higher success rate is because they don't appear in a ranging market where trading volume is low. In the indicator settings, you are presented with many customization options. To get a more balanced and smooth view of local patterns, you can increase the number of neighbors. If you want to make the algorithm more responsive to recent changes, the number should be decreased. Number of data points is another significant parameter to consider. Increasing historical data will provide a broader perspective, but it may dilute recent trends. Decreasing the number will focus the indicator more on recent behavior. The next setting is the length of the weighted moving average for price. Higher values create a smoother price line, influencing the KNN algorithm to be more stable but less sensitive to short-term price movements. Lower values enhance responsiveness in KNN predictions to recent price changes but may lead to more noise. You can play with these settings and find the ones that work best for a particular time frame or security. I personally like to set the SuperTrend factor lower. For example, instead of 3, I like to set the value to 2.5. You can also set a different moving average source. This will affect signal accuracy as well. Instead of VWMA, you can enable EMA for that purpose. If you're looking to further cancel fake signals during the ranging market, I know one secret tool that can help you with that. Not many people know about this indicator, so consider yourself lucky. I'll reveal it in a second. Before I do that, if you're looking for the best cryptocurrency exchange with low fees and highly accurate trading bots, consider Pionex. This exchange offers 16 built-in trading bots that generate insane returns on investment. You can simply create a bot that buys and sells cryptocurrencies on autopilot without you having to lift a finger. I've been using this exchange for a while, and the experience has been amazing. I'll leave a link in the description. Check it out. Let's return to our secret indicator that cancels fake signals issued by AI SuperTrend. Open the Indicators menu and type Range Detector Indicator. It is this one by Tiramisu. Once installed on the chart, open its settings and change the depth to 10. Head over to Style and uncheck Lines and Labels. This indicator colors candlesticks based on the market's sentiment. When strong selling pressure is evident, candlesticks are red. When the market is mainly controlled by buyers, the candlesticks turn green. When the market enters a consolidation phase and the activity is low, the candles become orange. This is the time not to trade. If any signal given by the AI SuperTrend appears on an orange candle, it becomes invalid. Check out how many fake signals this indicator has eliminated. Even initial SuperTrend signals became a lot more accurate. Now you can ensure that only high-probability trades are taken. Let's add an example of one of the many trading strategies you can try with these tools. After a short-term uptrend, the market entered a consolidation phase. No signals are valid at this time. There are two scenarios that might happen after this phase: a trend continuation to the upside or a trend shift to bearish. In this case, we see that the candlesticks have turned red. This is a sign of a momentum shift and a beginning of a new trend. We prepare to sell the stock. For that, we must wait for either a red dot or a red triangle to appear above the candlestick. Once we have the signal, it's time to analyze price action. Remember, price action is the key. You must take into account supply and demand before making any trading decisions. It's not that hard to identify these levels. In this example, we see that a strong demand level is around this price. So we can set the profit target here, expecting the price to drop and bounce off this level. Let's see how this trade plays out. The indicator prediction was right. We could have made good profit on this trade. Now let's learn how to take long positions with this strategy. Firstly, we must wait for the candle bars to turn green. That signals strong buying pressure. Next, we'll be looking for an indicator to generate a buy signal, just like it did right here. Finally, we'll analyze the price action. You don't need to be an expert to tell that there is a strong supply zone around this price. We expect the market to reverse once this zone is reached. Placing the take profit target higher would be quite risky as the price might not reach it. So that was it, traders. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, please leave a like on this video. Be sure to backtest and forward test this or any other trading strategy you learn on my channel before trading live. Thanks for watching. Till next time.